Okay, so I'm one of the nerds that she was referring to. So my name is Charlie Corredor, and I'm an atomic hacker. And I'm so excited to be here with you and share a topic that is really dear to me, how tiny particles can actually change the world, or nanotechnology. Many of us think about nanotechnology, about this mythical creature that is gonna come and destroy us within the next 20 years. But let me tell you, that is not true. In fact, that's only what media has been feeding us during the past 20 years. So let me tell you that actually nanotechnology is everywhere. In fact, there are over 1,800 commercial products right now that you can purchase in the market, and they have been made, have been exposed, or actually have been introduced to nanotechnology. So today, if you had a coffee with 2% milk, let me tell you, you consume titanium dioxide nanoparticles. Yes, you did. So we scientists, physicists, and engineers are actually using nanotechnology to make these products stronger, faster, better for you, and more affordable. And you might ask, what is actually nanotechnology? Well, nanotechnology is the science and where we physicists and engineers actually employ and modify matter at the atomic scale. Real exciting stuff. And within the atomic scale and this nanotechnology, we use this unit called nanoscale. And a nanoscale, or a nanometer, is actually, to give you a frame of reference, if you have a meter long of a metallic rod and you divide it by 1 billion times, that tiny piece that you're actually collecting, that's 1 nanometer. And to give you more information about, a more reference, our DNA has a diameter of 2.9 nanometers. Our red blood cells that are running in our blood right now actually has a diameter of somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000 nanometers. That is really exciting stuff that I'm working on. And why nanotechnology? Well, because all the physics and chemistry that we learn in the macro world, the world that we live, doesn't apply to the nanoscale, right? There are unique properties that we scientists are employing to solve one of the global challenges, which is energy, food, climate change, the economy, healthcare, and environment. And tonight, I'm gonna talk about 2 problems that I'm working on with nanotechnology to solve them. So remember that I said that there are over 1,800 commercial products in the market that they contain nanotechnology or contain nanoparticles. Well, let me ask you, what happens when these products go to the landfills? Well, highly percentage of these nanoparticles are going to leach out of these products. They're going to go to the water treatment plants. Then, because they're so small, the water treatment plants, they're not be able to filtrate them, so they're going to go back to our rivers. And we scientists are employing a large amount of our efforts using these complicated tools that not even Tony Stark can actually use to understand what is the environmental impact of nanotechnology to the environment. This is really interesting question, but I took a different approach as a scientist. I developed a simple, sensitive, and affordable technology to detect nanoparticles in environmental matrices, everything from the ocean, from the lakes, from the rivers, from the soil. So this technology is so simple, they use the catalytic activities of nanoparticles. That was the first problem that I tried to solve with nanotechnology. The second one is healthcare. One of the biggest problems that we have is detecting viruses and pathogens within the single visit that you go to the doctor. So let me propose to you a problem. You're in pain, you're suffering because you have this illness that you don't know what it is. Well, the doctor actually take the sample that he took from you, they send it to a centralized lab, right? The centralized lab will take somewhere around 72 to 48 hours to get back to the doctor. The doctor they're trying to get back to you. This is a big hurdle for them. So I actually use the simple approach to solve this problem. So I use the technology from lateral flow, or the pregnancy test, with the battery and with the assistance of nanotechnology to make this sensitive, fast, and affordable technology that is able to detect any pathogen and any virus with a single visit. This is really exciting, right? Because actually I can help the world with nanotechnology. And now let me tell you how I do it. Actually, I'm using gold nanoparticles. As you can see, gold is not gold, it's red right now. And I'm making these spheres, and I functionalize them, or I coat them with a polymer or a protein that is specific to the virus or pathogen that we're trying to detect, right? And because we're doing that, we increase the sensitivity by 100 times. And this is only 1 or 2 of the examples that I've been working on nanotechnology. If you guys want to know more about nanotechnology, you're excited about the new frontier about nanotechnology, feel free to reach out to me. I'm really excited, and thank you for being a great audience, and have a fantastic Ignite talk today. Thank you.